First, you must click here to register your account. Okay, use my this referral code to register your account. You will get fee discount and bonus. Okay, if you will register using my this referral link and automatically add it into my team. Okay, I have already told you in previous video. Okay, this video link you will find into the description of this video, how to register your account and depositing trading fee only. Okay, it's not investment plan, just deposit minimum amount $50 or maximum $1,000 for trading. That amount you can withdraw at any time. Okay, this amount only deposit for trading. And also here is a link onto my YouTube channel. You will find here, okay, this video lecture 123. Okay, how to deposit in $180 or any amount, okay, for trading on HTFOX platform. Okay, this video link you will find into the description of this video, how to register and deposit money on HTFOX platform. Okay, in this video I am telling you, okay, how to start your trade and get signals, how to take daily profits. Okay, get signals on WhatsApp group, buy and sell in this way. Okay, both variants you can use. You can just click here. Okay, and you can use on Google Chrome browser, or you can also download HTFOX, okay, app on from Play Store. Okay, it's total up to you.
Hi everyone, welcome to each and every one of you. My name is Mohammed. Today I am discussing you how to start your trade on signals in HTFOX platform. Okay. In previous videos I have already told you how to register your account, okay, and how to deposit money for trading. It's not investment. Okay, it's deposit amount just for trading. You can withdraw this amount at any time. Okay, for example, I have deposited 453, as you will see here. Okay, today I am telling you how to calculate lot size, okay, for trade on signals. Okay, no experience needed, no experienced traders, just follow signals to start your trade on HT platforms. Okay, many new investors are confusing. Okay, don't confuse. Start trade on just signals. Okay, just first see me on see this video how to calculate your lot size and start trade. Okay, my balance is 453. I have already opened app HTFOX. Okay, you can use on to directly website, or you can use this app HTFOX. Okay, download from Play Store. First I am showing you my trade time. Okay, today's date, okay, 14th October 2021, and currency is what? Pair EUREXGII. Okay, and you must be note one more thing here. Sell, it's what? It's sell trade. Okay, as you will see here, sell and time. Enter time 7:40 and close time 7:46 o'clock. Okay, now I am showing you how to calculate this lot size. Remember, don't be greedy. Remember to close the position in time when the profit range is reached. Okay, you must be careful. And stock index. Okay, first I am calculating this. I am showing you the formula of, as you will see here, pair, and formula is what? Account balance divided by 853, 838. Okay, 838 equal to lot size. In this way, here is first step. First I am calculating this. See how to calculate this. Okay, first I am opening a calculator. My balance is 453 and divided by 838. My lot size is what? 0.5. This is my lot size for trade. Okay, first you must do it. Okay, this is your first step. And how to start your trade according to this lot size? See. Okay, first I am clicking here trade. Okay, after clicking trade, then click here stock index. Stock index. Your second step is check pair EUREXGII. Okay, according to signal. Okay, and third step, it's sell trade. Okay, click here for sell. Click, and here is showing lot, trade amount lot, and my lot is what? I am calculating it 0.5. Okay, this is your lot size 0.5 in this way. Okay, but don't place your order first. Wait time. Now time is what? 7:21 o'clock according to Pakistani time. In this way you can, okay, calculate it or see it onto your country time. Okay, and start your trade in this way. But okay, don't place your order first. Wait. Okay, just click here place order, but not click confirm. First wait until it reach well 7:40 o'clock in this way. Okay, this is your lot size, and your next step is what? See. Okay, your next step, this step will done. How to calculate lot size. Next step is what? Lot size multiply by 38. This is what? This is broker fee. Broker fee or service fee, service charges. Okay, see next step. Okay, I am deleting this. 0.5 lot size multiply by 38. $19. This is broker fee or service charges. Okay, this is your next step. Okay, next step will done. Okay, this is step. Now your third step is what? Service charges multiply by 1.7 your target price. Target means your profit of targets. Okay, service charges. Okay, this is service charges or broker fees, $19. according to 453. Okay, now service charges $19 multiplied by 1.7. Total your target is what? $32. It means that when your trade will reach $32, okay, you must close your trade. Okay, if I am calculating your profits according to this, $19 broker fees or service charges minus 32, okay, your profits $13. Okay, it means that you don't wait for target. Okay, sometimes, okay, if your target will reach, okay, $32 or maximum, for example $29, then you can also close your trade. Don't wait 5 minutes according to signal. Okay, signals, okay, just for to save you from losses. Okay, but your profit will be done according to signal, and when you reach your target, then you must close your trade. Don't wait 5 minutes. Okay, close it 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, when your profit range or target have been completed. Okay, in this way. Now see your next step. Okay, your target will be done, and here is an example. Okay, for example, your account balance is $100 divided by 838. Okay, 0.1 your load size, and 0.1 is your load size. 0.1 multiply by 38. Okay, as you will see here, 38, 4.5 is broker fee, and this 4.5 multiply by 1.7, your target is 7.6. In this way. Okay, same example, but I am calculating according to my own account balance 453. Okay, formula is same, calculation is same for every trades. Okay, you follow and trade. Okay, and book your profits at a time. Okay, now time is 7:26 o'clock. Okay, but your trade is already be ready. Okay, and you must follow this signal. Okay, as you will see here, 7:40 clock and 7:46 close time. Okay, just 5 minutes, but don't wait 5 minutes. If your target or profit range will complete it in 1 minute, 2 minute, you must close your trade as soon as possible. Okay, don't be greedy, be careful. Okay, you must follow trades. Okay, and date, you must check stock index. Okay, and currency pair, time according to your country, and you must check buy signal or sell signal. In this way. Okay, calculation is same. Okay, just I am waiting for 7:40 o'clock. I will start my trade. Okay, just wait 12 minutes or 13 minutes. Now time is 7:26, 7 p.m. Okay, okay, now time is 7:39 p.m. Okay, it's trade time, just 1 minute remaining. Okay, because your trade time is what? 7:40 according to signal. Okay, 7:40 p.m. Okay, 7:40, I am just clicking here to confirm it. Okay, just waiting only few seconds. Okay, few seconds. In this way, your trade already be ready. Okay, just click here to confirm when time has reached, okay, 7:40.